everyone. Say hi. Can you do hi, Liv? Yay! Just wanted to take a quick moment. Good job. To say thank you. I haven't had this channel that long. We've had about 5,500 subscribers, over 160,000 views, and really a super special thank you to Janelle and Lois, the Patreon members that I have. And if you'd like to contribute as well, that would be great. I just kind of do this. Oh, you're doing hi again. Kapayim Gamkin? Kapayim. Yay! Kapai means clap in Hebrew. He understands. My little 10-month-old. Anyways, it's just doing this in my office here, and I do short lectures, long lectures. Some are pretty important and serious. Some are just fun and enjoyable. And if you can't contribute to the Patreon page, that's all right. Just share, like, leave comments on the videos. That also helps a lot too. I'll leave the links and everything in the descriptions. And that's just really quick what I wanted to say. All right, say bye-bye. Can you do bye? Bye. Oh, he's sweet. All right, everyone have a wonderful day. Thank you again.